Hey guys, well, this is our virtual classroom, and you are watching KP Public School. So this is our session 7, and topic is text formatting. And here's some theoretical, concepts. At the outset, let us define font. First of all, understand what is font. A character of a specified size and style is called a font, and a font includes letters, number, punctuation marks, and special characters, and all these. And setting font size. So, how you can set up your font size and styles exactly? So, first of all, here you have to go to the Home tab and font size, drop down list of the font groups. Here in figure 7a, a particular complete fonts views already defining. So here is the changing the fonts, how you can change the fonts. So how we can just do all these things as a practically, I'm just going to show you step by step. So here's the Word, Microsoft Word, and I'm just typing here KP Public SCS School, and select the content, what kind of changes you want to in these. So here is the styles, in font groups having all these things, including fonts, font styles. Here you have different font styles are there, you can choose according to you. So I'm just spacing here to show you the changes exactly. So select the content and basically select the content, and here you can choose which type of fonts you want to. So you can see at on your screen the fonts are going to change one by one as I'm choosing in the list. So here the size, if you want to just increase the size of your fonts, so you can choose exactly how much font size you want to, or increase instantly, you can choose increase and decrease options are there. So we have just learned how we can change the font style and how we can increase and decrease the font size. If you want to go to in deep description, in deep views of your changing fonts, so here you can choose this option. Here is the font styles, and font styles is here, and here the particular fonts which is exactly you want to, and here is the size, what kind of size you want to. Here is the font color, underline, if you want to underline your font color exactly, which type of underline you want to, dot, lines, parallel, double line, single line. And here is the some effects are there which is applied on your text exactly. So you can just do all the things by this particular menu which is already showing in the in your picture 7D, and superscript, superscript and subscripts are there. If you want to just apply the any types of superscripts and subscripts, you can use the superscripts and all these things. So my dear students, in this basically we have just learned all the maximum things, how we can changing cases, fonts, uppercase, lower cases, and all these things. So if you want to just suppose that if you want to just choose your all the characters as a uppercase, you can choose from here sentences cases, lower cases, upper cases. If you want to just do upper cases, all the upper cases, and here's the lower cases. So if you want to just choose your styles of your text, so you can choose from here, and here's the subscript and superscript here. You can choose if you want to. Okay, so choose your selections, and if you want to just script and superscripts, you can arrange from here. So basically in this section we have to just learn here's the some other concepts are there. highlighting the text. If you want to highlight your text, you can go through by all these steps. So highlighting a text means, placing a colored, rectangles over its जो भी आप यहाँ पे वर्ड सिलेक्ट करते हैं या फिर जो भी आप चूज करते हैं उसके ऊपर आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट यू वांट टू जस्ट हाईलाइट KP, so here's the highlighter and you can highlight which type of color you want to, you can choose. Okay, I'm choosing this one. And again, public have a red color, and school having a different color. So I have chosen, you have many more different this is color style, and here is the font highlighter, so yellow. So basically by using the highlighter you can highlight your particular text, exactly which particular text you want to highlight. So I'm just moving on the self-assessment. So here is the self-assessment, my dear students. And this having some multiple choice questions are there. A character of the specific size and style is called what? Specific size is called a font. Okay, the right answer is font. To set font size, click on the which particular tab. तो किस टैब पे आपको मिलता है ये सब कुछ आपको होम टैब पे मिल रहा है. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर इज होम टैब. And which of the following is not the basic font style? Underline, it may be it is font style, and this one, option B. Okay, a stick through is not a right answer, and italic and underlined is the font style is maybe, and the right step to set the font size. So here you have just writing the steps to select the font size. Which particular options you have to write down: colors, superscripts, font types, and where here is the size. Setting font size, you have just write down from here to there. Okay, in this in the question first you have to write down this answer. And second question is, write the step to change the font color. If you want to change the font color, so what will be right answer? Change the font color, and here is the sometime how we can change the font color. Here page number 58 sometimes, and having this particular option is the right answer to changing the font color. You have to just write down from the changing the font color, and here is the last word from where to you have just write down as the answer of this question. So what is next question, my dear students? I'm just moving on the next question. So the next question is and here's the defined superscript. What is superscript? Superscripts, you have just written superscript. What is superscript? So it may be answer may be here the superscript, and you have just write down this particular overall whole paragraphs in this particular answer. What is superscript? Okay, here the superscripts complete definitions are there from here to there. Okay, and next question is what? I'm just moving on next question. So the next question is what do you mean by the changing the case in a text? Changing the case in a text. What? Changing the case in a text. So you have just write down this thing in this question as answer. So changing the case, you have just write down from imagine, and here's the options. So we have just completed and we have just successfully done the session 7, my dear students. So we will just meet in next session, means session 8, in which basically we will learn about bulleted and numbered lists. So till then, thank you very much.